Good evening, folks. This is the weekly breakdown on the pairs that you guys say that should help you analyze on the Telegram channel. Um, if you're watching the video and you're not on the Telegram channel, the link is in the description below. Do me a favor and like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks. So today, the first the first pair we're gonna be looking at is the cat chef. I love starting my analysis with a monthly time frame. I want to see what it's looking like for the past years and months. So looking at cat chef, you could see it's a ranging month, not much expansion. So I'm a day trader, not like a swing trader. So I'm just looking for probably just a few price action, but the obvious thing here is this buy side liquidity, this relative equal highs, the buy side liquidity, and this here was formed in 2015. I really don't think the market will get back there. Checking the range of this week, you can see that this market reacted off the consequent encroachment of this week, which can be called a void. So you could see at the 50% level, you could see that reaction. First of all, what I could see in the monthly chart is this buy side liquidity, and I could see that the market is currently inside this order block right here. So if it is in a discount area, I should be looking to attack premium area. So I do find this place interesting, this fair value gap. I find it interesting, and this is the only thing I can see in the monthly chart. So I'll carry on my analysis to a lower time frame. That's the weekly chart. Okay, I'll change the color. This is the fair value gap in the monthly chart, this yellow area. So looking at the weekly, it looks more like we're gonna expand higher. So I want to know what is the week gonna be like, where my price will price to. So doing this, you have to learn how to use the economic calendar to know what they might we possibly have a big news. So sorry about, give me a minute. Okay, this one's so good. Okay, so I want to have wherever news that will come up on the Canadian dollar the upcoming week. I wanna see it. I wanna see the day, because news tend to bring in volatility into the market. So and I wanna see the news for Swiss francs. So you could see that on January 31st, that should be Tuesday, have a red news, and February 2nd, yeah, we have a red news. So you have to highlight that day as one of the days that you find most opportunity. So looking at the weekly, I want to see price expand going into February. I want to see price expand into this yellow area, and this fair value gap have my interest too. This weekly fair value gap has my interest too. Why? Because if you take the range from here to here, that's the only fair value gap that makes sense for us to start selling off, or less that this market starts selling off here, maybe a bit inside this. But I feel like they should reach into this fair value gap, which also has an order block attached to it. Yeah, this is another block, so it makes it high probability. So going into the week, I want to see price expand higher into this guy. So I'll go into my daily chart, and yeah, you can see that price is already starting to form a bit of a bullish institutional order flow. But I want to see price break here first, then from there we can reprice higher. It's left for you to use what strategy that suits you better, but to find an entry where I think the market should reprice higher into this fair value gap, into this area on catch up, and that's it for catch up. So I'm gonna clear up my chart. I don't have interest. I'm not a forex trader. I don't like trading forex. So I'm just doing this for the sake of the community. So I don't really care whatever happens. This is just what I see. I'm just trying to pass the idea to you. So in case it plays out, just give me feedback on whatever happened later. But you should be looking for buy opportunities to attack here. Here should be your first target. Here, going into this order block, you should target here first before you think about a monthly fair value gap or the weekly fair value gap. So up next, Euro USD has been a rangy pair for a while now. So already I highlighted the buy side liquidity. So going into the new months, I really can't see anything inside here. I can only see this little gap, but nothing much to see here. I can't see anything here. So I'm going down to the weekly time frame. This is a relative equal high. I want to see price take it up, but where am I going to attack from? I think I should attack from here. So it might make more sense to see the market drop and then boom. Going into the week, we have FOMC and NFP, so there's a high probability that the market should drop here. So going into the week, I want to see market either drop here and take out this liquidity, or take out this liquidity and drop into here for the Euro USD. So but from what I'm saying, I think we should drop here first and then probably hit this fair value gap before Wednesday, drop into here, then we attack the buy side before Friday. That's what I think. Or less that the Monday opens up and we form the high of the week after taking this guy, then we close it here. So going into the week, I wanna see a both side of the Euro USD. So here is a kind of relative equal high, but it took it out. So I think yeah, we should see lower prices. There's a lot of sell side left in this so you can draw it the way you want. But I just use this to check out some low resistance liquidity run. So is it that we take out this guy we go lower into the fair value gap and then come for this guy. But I favor to go lower into the fair value gap before we attack the buy side, because I feel like they should use that to induce short positions, then come into the fair value gap here, and then we attack again. So you should have your eyes on 1.09365. You should see price go there this week. Yeah, and into this fair value gap right here. So that's it for Euro USD. GBP USD, almost it correlates with Euro USD. So you wanna see price attack this buy side liquidity. I made it previous. I think that was, sorry, my bad. So looking at the monthly chart, I think GBP USD should come into this fair value gap going into February. So you should mark out this place in your chart. That's the 1.268. I think GBP USD should reprice there. Going into the week, I think that should be the possible run on liquidity for the week. So we should go into this area for GBP USD, and we should attack this buy side liquidity, and this one too. I've taken that one, but this is relatively poor. So I think what this market might do is this. They might, if they want to, in a bullish scenario, I am expecting the low of the week, or the low of the week to form on Monday and Tuesday, which is why I don't trade on Monday. So I might wait. If I was trading GBP, I might wait to see what they do on Monday and see if they want to drop price lower into this fair value gap. There's this tiny fair value gap here. If they want to drop price lower into that tiny fair value gap inside the weekly fair value gap, they want to drop price there, I want to be buying from there to attack this buy side. And if I'm a swing trader, I'm gonna swing it into this yellow area, which is the monthly fair value gap. So going into the week, I'm bullish on GBP USD. So we should be looking, if you are looking for any opportunities on the GBP USD, we should be looking for buy opportunities. So you should wait for Monday and Tuesday to see what forms out. If they should take out Monday and Tuesday, creating the high of the week last, taking out this buy side first and leaving this one, then there's a high chance that we might purge and come back here. But I don't want to see that. I want to see them come back here, then we attack here with respect to the high time frame order flow. So that's it for GBP USD. If you got any questions, you can ask me on the channel. We'll answer them. So next is gold. Gold. It's been a while. Going into next month, I think gold should take out this high. We should be seeing 2K on gold. I think so. Going into the new month, I don't know. I'm not trying to predict the price, but this is what I'm saying. So into the new month, I think we should attack this relative equal highs. Going into the week, we reacted off this order block, so we might see a reprise into this fair value gap, and if we reprise into this fair value gap, depending on what DXY, we might get a deeper retracement into here, but I'm favoring this one. So I want to see a retracement here, then we attack this high first. So NFP, might take gold to 1998. Then I favor that fair value gap. So I want to see price take out this swing low inside this daily fair value gap. There's also a daily fair value gap here, so that makes it high probability, IRA inside IRA. Yeah, so I want to see price take out the swing low, which was the low of Wednesday, January 23rd. I want to see take it out, and then we reprice higher. So going into the new month, I want to see price of gold go higher, and I feel like we would see gold above 2075.11 very soon. So that's my analysis on gold. I will favor this area for buy opportunities. I don't trade gold, but this is what I would do if I was trading it. I will favor price to come down here, and I will price higher. Going down into the 1 hour, I think, yeah, they should reprice lower. This is a whole sum of liquidity. This looks like purge, so I think we should reprice lower on gold. Reprice lower into the 1892 area here, 1890 area, then we attack higher. Always remember, we go down to go up. So that's it for gold. As I said, I don't trade these pairs. I'm just doing it for the community, man. So here we are on the card chef. Someone said I should analyze the card chef. This is the reason I don't trade Forex. They are mostly dirty. Their price action is mostly dirty. So card chef, looking at this is the obvious thing I see. So price haven't gotten into this area, but we can't ignore this. We can't ignore this fair value gap too. I'm having a success that this will be a breakaway gap, and price won't retest it now. So this gap in particular should remain unfilled for now until we get back into here. So I want to look at the monthly chart, knowing truly well that we are going into a new month. I want to see price test this fair value gap before we rise lower. So going into the weekly chart, I want to see price move higher. That's why I want to see price move. So I don't expect it to come back into this gap. I want to see this gap remain unfilled for a while now. So going into the week, I think we are inside a place you should be looking for a buy opportunity, attacking this red area and this guy right here. So you should be looking for a buy to attack here. But first, this will be your buy side liquidity. Your first, this should be your first target. This buy side liquidity here. So going into the daily chart, I could see this fair value gap, see this relative equal highs. So I should be looking for a buy into this guy. This guy might serve as a resistance. I'm seeing a lot of price action, but I think they should go higher until that will be fair value gap. So catch, I think going into the week, I'm bullish. We should take out this relative equal high. And sorry, my bad. Yeah, so that's what I think about on catch-off. I think we should reprice higher into at least the 100 mark, or probably can just take out your position as 99.30, but the 100 mark looks like a nice place to be. So going to the week, catch-off I think should be a higher pricing. one more. DXY. Um, DXY has been ranging for a while, so I'm expecting it to become more clean next month with NFP and FOMC coming. So I told you guys that I'm gonna take this other block as a resistance, and it has been acting as one. We could see how price reacted off it. So we have been compiling a lot of liquidity down here for a while. The market has spent a lot of time there, and we have FOMC this week, so I think we will go lower this week to attack this guy. I think we should be taking out this guy this week. Now, I don't know how they want to do it, but I personally feel that these guys will price higher before they go lower. So what do I mean? I feel like we might retest this guy right here, this other block right here. We might absorb the body or the volume of the other block. So in doing that, we should take out this relative equal highs, take out probably this, and maybe we might form the low and the high of the week inside here. And if we form it here, if I see something like that, it gives me a signal to attack here. So going into the week, I want to see price take out this equal highs, create the high of the week before FOMC on Wednesday, I think. Then we attack sell side liquidity probably on NFP day. So this week is gonna be a tough one. If you're a beginner, I'm gonna advise you to prepare trade and backtest. Um, that's it for the for the DXY. So if you got any questions, you could ask me. Just message me my DM if you got any questions. So the analysis on the SP500 will be separate. I'll make a separate video for that. Make it a quick one, probably 2 minutes. So to talk again next time, guys. Be safe and good trading.